Hello everyone, leave the sorrows, pain and sadness behind and let's welcome the brand new moment with Ismail. So I'm Dipanshu Kumar from Kuchaman City, student of English John English Training Academy, and now we welcome the brand new moment that have never been. Making a mistake is the part of our human nature. Accepting that mistake is the part of our culture, and rectifying that mistake is the hope for a promising future. Imagine you have 86,400 rupees for a day, and the next day you will get another 86,400 rupees. But in this have one condition, you can't save it. Now you have to spend or invest it. How? It's totally depend on you. Maybe you purchase your dream car, maybe you purchase your dream house, maybe you spend on travel, on food and many expenses, maybe you invest on your future. It's totally depend on you. And with smile, with cry, with sadness, with happiness, with fear, with confidence. But you have to invest or spend it, and it is your life. And it is the part of our life. Yes, it is the rule of 86400 seconds in a day. In the first time we got many victories, many achievements, and we made many good relationships, and we enjoyed and we learned new things for our target, maybe related our bright future. That's why we should celebrate on present, and as well as we should repeat all good things in present time with changing. And we should deliberate also, because we did many wrong works, maybe we broke good relationships, and maybe we lost a touchable person in first time. When you desire too much at your tender age, there are only for two outcomes. If you get in, then you have peace, you are chill. If you don't get in, then you wind up jealous, rancorous and self-doubt. One loses confidence, friends, then a person deems himself a bigger loser than world does. Don't take this material world so seriously, because it is always changing. Something terrible that you take so seriously is going to change tomorrow. So remember the rule of 86400 seconds in your life and invest it. How? Make a future plan and always meet each other with smile, because smile is the beginning of love. Keep it.